Today we are going to discuss about displacement reaction, uses of metals and uses of non-metals. Displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. Both metals and non-metals take part in displacement reactions. For example, reaction of iron nails with copper sulfate solution. To study the displacement reaction, we perform an activity. To perform an activity, we require 500 ml of beakers labeled as A, B, C, D and E, water, copper sulfate, zinc sulfate, iron sulfate, zinc granules and iron pieces. We take 50 ml of water in each beaker. Prepare the solution of copper sulfate in beaker A and beaker B, zinc sulfate solution in beaker C and E, and iron sulfate solution in beaker D. Put zinc granules in beaker A, iron pieces in beaker B, and copper turnings in beaker C and D, and iron pieces in beaker E. After some time, what we observe that in beaker A, zinc replaces copper from copper sulfate solution. That's why blue color of copper sulfate solution disappear and powdery mass of copper is deposited at the bottom of the beaker. In beaker B, displacement reaction also take place, that is iron displaces copper. But in beaker C, D and E, no reaction take place. We conclude from this only more reactive metal replaces less reactive metal. Zinc is more reactive than copper and iron is also more reactive than copper. Uses of metals. Iron is used for making pins, nails, nuts, bolts, tools, machines, construction of buildings and bridges. Aluminium is used for making utensils, wires, furniture, part of aircrafts, vehicles, machines for packing food and medicines, etc. Copper is used for making wires, vessels, electrical gadgets, etc. Gold is used for making jewelry, coins, medals, etc. Silver is used for making jewelry, coins, medals, etc. Platinum is used for making jewelry, electrical gadgets, plugs in vehicles. Sodium compounds are used as common salt and chemicals. Calcium compounds are used for making cement and glass. All are the uses of metals. Uses of non-metals. Sulfur is used for making sulfuric acid, salts of metals, etc. Oxygen is used for respiration by living things and burning of fuels. Nitrogen is used for making ammonia, which is used for making fertilizer. Hydrogen is used for making ammonia, which is used for making fertilizers as fuel in rockets and for welding, etc. Chlorine is used to kill germs in water. Iodine is used as tincture iodine, which is an antiseptic.